اشتي افرش الدار، جبنا لك الضيوف، امشي.
How many tea do you drink during one day?
No,
A lot. Not today.
No. Today I drink 1 cup only.
And usually? 1, 2? Or more?
5,
5?
7, 10.
Yeah.
Small kitchen
This is my first time
in Arabic
in an Arabic
kitchen.
and flat.
Yeah.
So
It's different.
this is new for me. So thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh, very cool. Very cool. Shukran.
He's my cousin in a way.
Really?
Yes.
Where he lives? Here or
No. I am original from Bedouin village. يسلمك على أذان عصر.
It will be like a close face. Good.
يلي دخيله أنا. برافو.
Bravo. Bravissimo. Call him. Look here.
أكرم لف هناك بعرف بعد دس. لا عادي، خليك واقف اصبر دقيقة. هنا بعيد كويس. أكرم ابعد. شوف الصور كيف؟
Yeah. Many cares. No, it's okay.
No. لا فات. ميكانيك. يلا بدك تروح ولا تضل؟ عارف معاك، بدي اقول لك شو تسوي. تعال. تروح ولا ايش؟ ها؟ هذا نطلع عشان اسوي لك هاند بريك. يلا. طيب وين اروح؟ عشان تروح. ايدك هنا. هاي صار. معلم، فك العجله. حلو الكلام؟ ندخل البريك تحت 12. حلو الكلام؟ طلعوا البريك. حطوا الجير يمين. عندنا حب ليش؟
Ooh, what is that?
Meat.
Meat.
You eat meat?
Of course.
Yes.
Is it lamb?
Goats.
Goat.
يلا take it and go there.
All right.
شو واخذ؟
Ta-da-ta-da. Ah, looks very tasty.
I eat like this. You see, I take from this to yours. Potatoes like this.
Mm-hmm.
I put for you here.
Yeah, okay. Mixed with the rice.
Yes, mixed with the rice, and that's one the meat. But how is it? Delicious?
Very, very, very delicious. Honestly.